Uh, Hello all, welcome to the Embedded Programming YouTube channel. So today I'm here to discuss with you regarding the usage of static variable, how to use it, and I'm going to discuss about a specific scenario. So first let us go to the online C compiler, so that would be easy. So yeah, so here what I will do is mm, I will create a function which will return a pointer, basically which will return an address. So here I will define that function. So this function will basically return the address of a variable. So here I will define a variable x which I will initialize it with 10, and so nothing complex, so I'll just return the address of this x. So let's remove this print. So here what I will do is I will call this function, and so as this is returning the address of a variable, I should have a pointer which will receive it. So I will define this one pointer here, and this I will initialize it by calling this variable. So this pointer should be ideally pointing to the address of this variable x. So yeah, so let us run this. Let us see what is the output. So we have got a warning here. It is saying that function returns the address of a local variable. So if you see, it is saying that x is a local variable and you are returning the address of it. Yes, correct. But what is the issue here? So the thing is, now suppose if I declare this variable as static, you would not be seeing this issue. Yes, there is no issue. So we can still check by printing the value of it. Now let us run. See, here you have initialized it with 10, the address returned, and here you are able to see it. But before it was not like that. The reason is, the moment you declare some variable as static, so the memory that this variable is going to occupy, it will be there in the heap memory, not in the stack memory. Suppose if the static is removed, now this x will be part of the stack memory. So what is the difference between the stack and heap memory is, the stack memory, if something is uh, some variable is using the stack memory, so that will be discarded from the memory the moment you go out of the scope. Suppose, yeah, so if you see in this call function, you are returning it, but as this is exiting the scope of the function, this variable will be deleted from the memory. So the memory that this pointer is going to point, this y, the memory the y is going to point is not a valid memory anymore. So you will be pointing to some invalid memory. So the value is undefined. So the compiler is throwing an error like, you are returning the address into this pointer, but your memory is not valid. So in that case, if you define it as a static and run this, now you can see that yes, the this memory is still valid, and it is being, this y is pointing to a valid memory which is not deleted. So yeah, so if you declare some variable as static, then it means that you are using the heap memory. So yeah, so that is the one use case of this. And yeah, to see many more of such videos, please do subscribe and like this video if you really like it. Yeah, thank you then.